Investing can feel complicated, but micro-investing apps like Raiz and CommSec Pocket have made it easy to start with small amounts. Let's break down how they compare to help you decide which is right for you. The fee structure is the biggest difference. CommSec Pocket charges a brokerage fee of $2 per trade for investments under $1,000, with no monthly account fee. This means if you invest $50, the $2 fee is 4% of your investment. It's better suited for making larger, less frequent lump sum investments. The minimum investment is $50. Raiz, on the other hand, charges a monthly account fee. For balances under a certain threshold, it's a flat monthly amount, currently around $4.50, and for larger balances, it's an annual percentage fee. It charges no brokerage fees. This model is often more cost-effective if you invest small amounts very frequently. The minimum investment is just $5. Raiz is a set-and-forget platform. You choose from a range of pre-built, diversified portfolios made up of multiple exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which you can align with your risk tolerance. A signature feature is roundups, where it automatically invests the spare change from your everyday purchases. CommSec Pocket is more like a low-cost broker, offering a curated selection of individual ETFs, around 7 to 10 options. You choose which specific ETF you want to buy. This gives you more control over your exact investment. You can set up recurring investments, but it doesn't offer the roundup feature. If you prefer a completely hands-off approach, want to use the roundups feature, and plan to invest very small amounts frequently, Raiz offers more diversification and convenience. If you prefer to pick your specific ETFs, plan on making less frequent but larger investments, and want to avoid a fixed monthly fee, CommSec Pocket is likely the more cost-effective choice. Your best option depends entirely on your investing style and frequency.